Join me as I race against time to find out if this magnetic wireless charger really is the fastest for my iPhone and Apple devices. If you're like me, you're always on the go and need your devices charged quickly and efficiently. With the latest iPhone models and Apple products out, it's amazing to see how far wireless charging has come. Magnetic wireless chargers have become super popular, especially for their seamless integration with iPhones and other Apple devices. We've all been there, slow charging speeds and tangled cables driving us crazy. Traditional charging methods can be such a pain. You plug in your iPhone, Apple Watch, or AirPods, and then you realize you've got to untangle the cord just to get it to charge. And don't even get me started on lost charging cables, it's like they have a mind of their own. The frustration doesn't stop there. Sometimes you realize too late that your device didn't charge properly overnight, and you're left scrambling for a solution. Or maybe you've got multiple devices to charge at once, and traditional charging just can't keep up. These little annoyances can really disrupt your daily routine. But what if I told you there's a game changer out there? A magnetic wireless charger that's specifically designed for the iPhone 16, 15, 14, 13, 12 Pro Max Plus, Apple Watch, and AirPods. This thing is sleek, compact, and uses the latest technology to make charging a breeze. Not only does it look great on your nightstand or desk, but it's also incredibly easy to use. Just snap your iPhone onto the charger, and you're good to go. No more fumbling with cables or lost charging pads. The magnetic feature ensures your device stays put while it's charging. So, what makes this charger so special? For starters, it's incredibly fast. I've seen it charge my iPhone from 0 to 100 in record time. Plus, it's designed with safety in mind, so you don't have to worry about overheating or anything like that. It's also super efficient, so you get the most out of your charger. I've put this charger to the test with multiple devices, and the results are impressive. Not only does it charge quickly, but it also does so without generating excess heat. That's a big deal for those of us who use our devices a lot throughout the day. When it comes to performance, this charger really stands out. I've compared it to other wireless chargers on the market, and it's clear that this one is a top contender. Whether you're charging one device or multiple, it handles the task with ease. In terms of raw speed, we're talking a significant boost over traditional wireless chargers. My tests have shown that it can charge devices up to 50% faster than some of the leading brands out there. That's a huge difference when you're in a hurry. So, what are the key benefits of this fastest magnetic wireless charger? For one, it's a total space saver. No more cluttered cords or lost charging cables. It's designed to make your life easier, not more complicated. Plus, it's compatible with a wide range of Apple devices, making it a versatile addition to your tech arsenal. If you've had any experiences with wireless chargers, good or bad, I'd love to hear about them. Have you found a charger that's changed your life, or are you still on the hunt? Let me know in the comments below. And if you're interested in more tech reviews and tips, be sure to check out my other videos. Thanks for tuning in. Zinc alloy wireless charging pad, made of high-quality zinc alloy material with excellent heat dissipation. The heat dissipation performance is more than 50% higher than that of plastic material, which allows us to charge faster and better protect the health of the battery. Powerful magnetic connection. Oakflyman wireless charger base with MagSafe technology ensures that your iPhone and Apple Watch are perfectly aligned and won't cause your device to fall off. 180 degrees adjustable viewing angle, 360 degrees vertical or horizontal charging, convenient for watching videos and checking incoming call information. Anti-slip design on the bottom makes charging safer and more reliable. Foldable portable magnetic charging cradle. Our wireless charging pads for iPhone and Apple Watch are foldable and compact, making them extremely convenient for traveling. Pull the panel of the iPhone magnetic charging pad up from its raised position to angle the panel approximately 170 degrees. Snap up the Apple Watch charger section by hand until it is vertical. Two angles are adjustable. 3-in-1 fast wireless charger for iPhone. This magnetic wireless charger stand charges iPhone 16, 15, 14, 13, 12 series from 0% to 100% in 2 to 3 hours. Almost as fast as the original MagSafe charger. It is highly recommended to charge without a case or use a case with MagSafe. Wireless charging station for multiple devices. Power your Apple ecosystem with the Oakflyman 3-in-1 wireless iPhone charger stand. It is the perfect charging station for multiple Apple devices and can simultaneously charge iPhone 15, 14, 13, 12 Pro Max Mini Plus, Apple Watch Series Ultra S10 9 8 7 SE 6 5 4 3 2, AirPods 2 3 Pro. What you get? You will get an Apple 3-in-1 charging station, a 3.3 feet 1 meter charging cable, an 18 watts adapter, a user guide, a 5-year warranty and 24-hour friendly customer service. If you have any complaints, please be sure to contact us in advance. If you have any questions or concerns about our products, please feel free to contact us and we will get back to you promptly.